Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mod Terraria Mobile. So first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Google Play Store like you normally would. Then you want to go to the search bar just like so. And all you want to do is you want to look for the application called TL Pro. Go ahead and enter that. And once you are done with that, then it's going to go ahead and bring you this application right over here. And unfortunately, you will need to go ahead and actually pay for it. It does cost $1 and around 50 in the United States. So this is an application that will allow you to actually install a bunch of different mods that you guys can go ahead and then access on your mobile device on Terraria. Typically, a lot of other methods require you to do a lot of risky things, such as rooting your device or even messing around with APK files, which is always a little bit risky because you could get malware, or even worse. This is hands down the easiest and simplest way to download Terraria on a mobile device at the moment without having to root your device. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.